When a cable reaches the edge, it may change color. For example, this hot pink cable has changed to a light pink. The new color is determined by the edge index. To read the edge index, you need to know which repeat you're working. When a cable reaches the edge and turns to start going in the other direction, it forms a scallop near the edge. So we'll just count the scallops. So this is the first repeat, this is the second repeat, this is the third repeat, this is a fourth repeat. For the first repeat, I'll read row 1 of this chart. I'm working a large size, so I'll look at the large column. For this repeat, I'm going to work MC2, which is the hot pink. Hot pink is in the MC marl, which is worked on round 3. On round 3, I'll knit the edge stitch through the back loop. On round 4, I'll slip the edge stitch because hot pink is not in the current marl. Repeat 2 is worked in the same way as repeat 1. I'll be using CC2 for repeat 3. This is the light pink color. CC2 is not in the working marl for round 3. On round 3, I'll slip the edge stitch. On round 4, I'll work the edge stitch by knitting it through the back loop with CC2. I continue working the repeats in that way.